Have you ran any scat packs or anything like that?
Yeah.
Pretty close?
Pretty close.
Wait,
we
ran it, huh? Alright guys, so we are out here and you guys see it. So what year is this one right here?
16.
The 2016, this one with the downpipes?
Yeah, downpipe, full exhaust.
Full exhaust. Anything else?
And a tune.
And a tune? Oh, okay. We got my boy right here. What's your IG and all that?
Mean B58.
Alright, for sure. I'm gonna get it from him after. I'm gonna put it on the screen and all that. But that's his BMW, the 340i. My bad, I'm not good with the BMWs and all that yet. Got the tune, the headers, the full exhaust. Alright, well, you guys see it, man. Have you ran any scat packs or anything like that?
Yeah.
Pretty close?
Pretty close. Yeah, pretty close.
Wait,
we ran
it, huh?
Yeah, but I was packed down.
Yeah,
so
you were packed down.
So I was like, I'll give it another try.
Yeah, you were like full car that night.
Yeah, so I was like, I'll give it another try. Maybe it's a wait.
That's right. Yeah, I feel it.
Yeah.
Alright, man. Well, shit. Should be a good run. Alright guys, so you see it, man. I was only expecting to run an M3, that's what they told me, but apparently there's a 340i there as well with downpipes, full exhaust, and a tune, so we might end up running him as well. We're on our way to Mexico right now, should be there pretty soon, and we'll see what happens, man. Should be pretty interesting. You heard what they said. They said they ran a couple scat packs before and it was close. I actually ran the 340i. If you guys are familiar with my stuff, you would have seen that. I got him, but he said that he missed a shift or something like that, so yeah, that's how that went. But he did have a full car, like his car was literally packed down that night, so we'll see what happens though, man. both honked on the first one, and then I let him go, and I didn't know if he was gonna start over or what. That shit was mad confusing. On that last one. I missed the honk on that last one. Yeah. Yeah, I'll honk it. Ready? The 340i. That carbon fiber hood's hard though.
Yeah, it needs some fixing though.
Needs some fixing?
Yeah.
What happened to it?
That's some clear coat.
Oh yeah, yeah, it's a little
Clear coat, yeah.
Get the paint correction in it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see that right there. Yeah, that shit's hard though, man. Some good runs.
Yeah.
I was confused in that.
Who won on that one?
I took it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
You guys did 2 runs or 3 runs?
I think we did like 3.
What's up on that last one?
I know, I couldn't tell. Dude, you can't tell that you guys are coming until you guys are like right there. I was like, oh fuck. I was like, hey, punch it.
Yeah, no, I hit the brake though. I think I went until like the last second to where I could fucking have a chance to hit the brake and shit, so. Is that Gabby?
Yeah, that's your homie.
He just did something to that car too, huh?
He's fuck, I think he was doing a couple things. What's good though? No, we just got done running, dude. Oh shit. New manifold and all that. Has been running good or what?
It's on the page. It's pretty quick though.
Yeah?
It's been on my quick. I'm gonna get back.
For fun, dude, you know? Cool. Let's do it then.
Driver you drove? Nah, just kidding. My car?
Got the M3 versus Gabby's Mustang. About to see what happens with it. You guys seen it. I ran the 340i, and I also ran the M3, and I also ran a damn Mustang 2015 Mustang with some mods in it, and a Q60. So it was an eventful night. I'm gonna chop it up and you guys will see it. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but yeah, man, that's pretty much gonna do it for this one though, guys. Thank you guys so much. If you enjoy the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys want to see next. Share it with your friends. Do all that for me, man. I appreciate it so much. But who is LouieXIII checking out? I'm going to catch you guys on the next one, man. Quite an eventful night, man, if I do say so myself. I got a lot of editing to do. But yeah, man, that's how I'm going to end this.